Hi, my name is Alyssa. As a member of the Bowtie Youth Council, a goal I have over the next year is to work collaboratively with my peers to shape the future of public space along the LA River. The barriers that residents experience when accessing open spaces, green spaces, and public recreation areas is so astounding, given the potential for these areas and types of spaces in our city. Our fundamental rights living in this city are often neglected, and we as young people have the opportunity to share our voice and the priorities of our neighbors. This work will not only attempt to shape the future of the Bowtie as a public space, but continue with the work of longtime activists and laborers to ensure that changes to the LA River going forward are equitable and are not based on corporate interests. I joined the Bowtie Youth Council because I think young people are effective organizers and are great at questioning the status quo.